Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have the ultimate Sequoia, the most beautiful, all-around best package you could ever get, and this one is a beauty. This is a 2013 Toyota Sequoia Platinum Edition, so top-level trim, and you get it all. You get all the tech, the cool interior, the big wheels, all power functions, and it all works, and it's all there, and it's in one solid beautiful package. It's black on saddle tan. It has the tinted windows, the chrome on the handles and the mirrors, the alloy wheels, the nice giant 20-inch wheels, and they're all sitting on these nice Michelin Defender tires. These are brand new tires all the way around. It's been aligned, it's been through our shop, we've checked it out, everything's good to go. Fresh oil change, full synthetic. It is the ultimate Sequoia. It's the ultimate vehicle. It's the ultimate third row vehicle and the ultimate family hauler. So you can tow, you can haul, you can go on road trips, you can do it all with so much ease and comfort, knowing that this vehicle will never let you down or leave you stranded. It is the ultimate vehicle for me. So I do love this vehicle, and it does drive so sweet, so nice, and it is so beautiful. So two previous owners on this one, and they kept it in absolutely pristine condition. Outside has a few small minor flaws, like some light fading here, little bug chipping on the front, small little dings and dents in a few places, but nothing that's major. And for our interior, we got a long list, lots of ground to cover, so let's get into it now. So we have full power windows, locks, mirrors, seats, and we also get the sunroof, side pocket storage in all the doors, the saddle tan throughout, cup holders in the doors, the JBL Synthesis sound system sounds excellent, large glove box, upper, lower, comes with a wiring harness probably for trailer towing, but it has a nice clean dashboard, no cracks, no problems there, no cracks in the windshield, perfect, no chips either. And then it also comes with rear backup camera, navigation, AM, FM, satellite radio, Bluetooth connectivity. It also has dual climate controls, dual heated and cooled seats, cooled front seats, charging, USB auxiliary connectivity, four-wheel drive, towing mode, four-wheel drive diff lock, the ability, because it has air suspension from the factory, the ability to raise and lower it. You can raise and lower it manually here for sport or comfort mode, or you can do it automatically with that button. It also has keyless entry, automatic transmission, dual cup holders, large file storage there. And it has this huge center console armrest, and plenty of space. That's a removable piece there. All this nice saddle tan leather, and then dual vanity mirrors. They are illuminated and dimming adjustable. Comes with the DVD entertainment package. Lumbar support for driver and passenger front seats. Comes with the all-weather Sequoia floor mats. Also has the volume control knobs here for the headsets for the DVD player, fold down arm or cup holders. And it also has all this rear AC control. It also has a plug-in here, and then it has your coaxial cables. Then has a full dedicated center console for the rear passengers. It says Sequoia on it, and then dual heated rear seats as well. As you can see, the remote there. And then I'm sure that opens somehow as well too. There's probably another pocket storage there. But these seats fold down, and then they can fold up as well. And then you can also do it with power. With these rear seats, you can move them and fold them forward and back. And then if you push that, they'll flip all the way forward. So a lot of cool features there. And then you get a Blu-ray disc player on this rear DVD. So this is Blu-ray disc capable. It comes with a SD card slot as well. And then we also get these shades across all the rear doors. So the rear quarter doors, the rear passenger doors all get these shades. They're manual. Small little melting here on this. This was common for this vehicle. It's just happening on this door though. And then we get the roof racks on top, four-wheel disc brakes, full air suspension, running boards, OEM mud guards, rear park assist, so you got the parking lasers behind you. You also get the rear towing package. The spare tire is up underneath. This is Florida, Texas owned vehicle, so no rust on this one. And then you also get the power options for the rear seats as well, and then the power button to close the lift gate. And then up underneath here is just small little items for this vehicle, like some of the earphones, floor mat, receiver towing ball hitch there. Push the button. And we'll have that close. As you can see, the iForce 5.7 V8 with flex fuel, so it's E85 compatible. And also you can see the rear backup camera, so power, rear lift gate, also rear windshield wiper, rear spoiler, and then the satellite radio shark fin on top. Beautiful black color on the outside. And then our other window shade there. Then as you can see back here, the window shades come up like that. And then we also have rear AC throughout. So everybody gets AC vents, plenty of speakers, plenty of sound, great sound out of this vehicle. As you see, the automatic up and down windows, driver, passenger front, rear passenger power windows, locks, dual memory seat settings, the JBL. And then you also get that nice front lift here on this cushion, the lumbar, and then your regular controls. Side airbags across the whole vehicle. And we also get our side view mirror switch. They're actually power folding mirrors as well too, so those mirrors will power fold in. And they also come with the turn signals, the heated side view mirrors, and the blind spot detection. So this is interior illumination, this is gauge cluster illumination, blind spot detection system, rear power lift gate, front headlight washer sprays, rear tilt side view mirrors, so the mirrors tilt down when you go in reverse, and then our traction control system, emergency brake. Then on our multi-function steering wheel, we get the nice wood grain trim on leather with Bluetooth, voice command, cruise control. It also comes with LiDAR cruise, so it can detect the vehicle in front of you, slow the vehicle down, speed it up, so it's almost a little bit of that self-driving-ish kind of feel. So back in 2013, that was very cutting edge. And then we get automatic headlights, fog lights, and then rear interval front and rear wipers. So lots and lots of good information there. Fires right up. So traction control, rear window. So the rear window all the way back there on the tailgate goes up and down, one touch, automatic. It has the automatic AC controls. And then all of our gauge info. So no warning lights on the dash, aside from a bad tire pressure sensor. So this is for our ride height on the vehicle. So we're at the neutral height position, and that's transmission temperature and our RPMs. Then we get our speed and miles. So we had 153,000 original miles. And then over here we get our fuel, our coolant, and then we get our oil pressure and battery voltage. And then here's our navigation system, our rear backup camera, and our mirrors actuated down. You can see them move there. Up top we have our clock and compass, our temperature gauge, and we get our compass up top here with our auto dimming rear view mirror. And we also get home link, so then we can have our garage door communicate. We get touchscreen radio, and then that's also Bluetooth compatible as well, AM FM stereo, and you just have to activate satellite radio. And then you can see our controls for the AC, and then the rear temperature controls can be controlled from up here. And then our ride height, so if we switch it to comfort, it'll stiffen the dampeners as well. And then if we push down, it'll start blinking on the low end, and then the vehicle will start lowering down. And I can feel that happening right now. I can hear the air pumps kicking in. So that's working great as well too, so no problems there. It has the nice torquey 5.7 I-Force V8. Sounds beautiful. Revs up nicely. It idles smoothly. And that JBL sound system sounds excellent. Very nice and crisp. And then as you can see, we're on our low. So then I'll push the button again and go back to neutral. And now the vehicle's starting to raise up. And then here's our power side folding mirrors. And then those fold back out. So everything is properly working.